Hello guys, welcome to guys. So today we're going to play Granny, and also we're going to play the Granny game. This. So guys, we're going to play this. Bro, I can't even click. I can't click. Can I click? How? I can't even click because my tablet. Bro, how? Okay, so I'm in chapter 2. Okay, let's play. Continue. I'm gonna continue that I think is. So try not to know something, I guess. Try not to scared, I guess. So like and subscribe, and also hit the notification. So anyways guys, okay, we're at not part 1 guys. Bro, finally I got this, I guess. What the heck? Okay, this the creator. They create it. What is credit, I think. Also, this is scary. How? Okay, so I just restarted it. Because it's scary. Okay. Hey. What's that, Grandpa? Oh, I will close you. Can I close you? You can go. Can I? Go! I'll close you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Open. Okay. Fine. Anyway, sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay, fine. You're so scary. Okay.
Don't close the door, I will leave.
No, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll close the leaf. Come on, Nico. Come on. So funny. Hey.
At Roblox.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. He died. Yay. That's good.
He said
He
you
will-
died. That's good.
Okay, he will just restart, I guess. He will just restart. That's funny. Wow, that's funny. You go first. You go first. Oh, he's falling. Bye. Oh, monster.
I win.
Okay.
I survived.
Okay. No, I survived. You can't make me.
Tralalero, tralala.
Okay. You died. That deserve. Haha. Yay. Okay. Let me kiss you.
You're in my TV.
Okay. I love you, baby. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo, you look like a girl. Hey yo. Hello.
Because I am a guy.
Can I kiss you, Auntie? Okay.
Tralalero. Ayaw pala si Gran.
Oh. 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 Open it if you want.
Get a gun.
Ronnie.
Get the gun. I don't know where is that. Dad.
Oh my god.
That is what you get for.
Yo yo.
Get for. May nangkurudo.
Can I close you? Okay, very close on you.
You're not here.
You can't even make me. I'm hiding there, okay? It's gonna be scary.
Pura.
Oh my god, it's gonna be scary. You stinky. Ah! Go, baby. You look like a girl. You go. Ah! Hello, baby.
You're going to make me.
You love me, kitty baby. I love you. No.
Hi, survive.
No, wait. Let me see now. Yes.
Kuya, you go out. You go out.
No.
Go.
No.
Sige, me and Kuya, me and Karik are gonna leave.
No, sorry. Do not leave.
Leave again, leave again.
No, sorry.
No, I said,
Hey. Okay. He looks so handsome. Look at her.
there's so many boys in that room and only one girl. Only one girl. The heck?
Hey, we're close again. Come on.
Ay,
Wait, there's no granny. I love you, baby. Close the freaking door.
Laura near.
Oh.
Baby, tsunami, unit, oh,
Hmm. What's that? Close! Yes! Yeah. Oh my god, they're so funny. Oh, you want to go? Kiss her. Kiss her. Yeah. What?
Yow.
Kiss her. Oh. Hey, I love you. Can I sleep here? I'm so strong.
Yes.
Close the second one.
One more day. One more day and you're out.
Don't leave. How do you?
Broke it.
The syrup. You ugly, Granny. You are ugly. How dare you?
That is why you get it.
How dare you? Please stop. I'm just joking. Oh my
You
god.
already did it.
No, I didn't. Sorry. I was trying to close the door. Go. Go.
No.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Don't sleep, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I pushed you. So, sorry. Let me kiss you instead.
Na?
No, sorry, baby. No, do not. Really? I love you. I love you. Go sniff your armpit. Armpit shot.
But then we're gonna leave.
No, sorry. I'm sorry.
So guys, so they were going to play Granny.
Yes.
What I hope Granny 2. Granny chapter 2.
Yes. I know. Oh my God. There's Granny. Go.
1 point fish, very good.
Come on, go, please. I'm not gonna close on you.
Granny.
Ah, yes. I'm close on you. Surprise. Ah. Hello.
Okay, Granny here.
Go.
Why not go out?
Go if you want.
Okay, show them now.
Go if you want. I'm not closing on you. Please. Go now, please. Ah, yes. Yes. Ah. I'm sorry. No.
Sige.
No. Sorry.
One more time and we're gonna leave.
No, sorry. I'm not gonna leave. I'm not. Don't leave. Just sniff your armpit. Just working.
Go outside and we're not gonna leave.
Fine. There.
For 10 minutes. For 10 seconds. Yeah, 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10.
100 seconds.
Oh, look. How dare you?
60 seconds. 60 seconds. Alright, we're gonna leave.
You go. Stop leaving or else, baby.
60 seconds. Madali lang.
No.
Madali. 50 seconds.
Oh my God. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you wanted to make me die? You want? No. How dare you give me a punishment, huh? Go, I will push you. Kiss him.
Push us. We're invisible.
Hello. You go. Please.
Do it this time.
Please.
20 seconds. Madali lang.
Ah, fine.
Ata, 20 seconds. Ah.
Fine.
Stop.
Nothing. Sorry. I'm sorry that I scared like a girl. Okay. Ah! Kiss her.
I'm not dying.
Come on, kiss her. Fine. Hey, I'm going to push you. No?
Please.
Let's try.
I'm not going to die.
What? How dare you? Oh! How? Unfair! That's unfair! How dare you, Unfair!
No.
How dare you?
Dumb.
You have...
Dumb in the dumb.
Just
Just a glitch.
How? I can't.
See, I won't die.
See, let me try. No, I can't. No. Can you go? Granny!
Yes, we can. Yes.
Oh, this key.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Bro, stop lagging. I look like a turtle. Okay, let's go. Oh. Granny will go to spawn at me. Stop it! Stop scaring me or else I'll leave.
We didn't even scare you.
How? Oh, there he is. Oh. I can just come if I want. Okay. We'll go home. We're going to go home.
Weapons, ammo.
We're going to go home. Oh, this is the tape. Okay. Oh my god, we're going to go home. Come on, go home. Utot ako. What's that, a wheel? Nope. I'm sorry. Just joking. Hi, I just push you. See you later. Have fun. Utot. Ha, have fun with the granny. Hey, let me in. I'm stuck. Let me in. Fine. Just granny.
Come here. Come here. I will fight.
Where?
In the backyard. Mata mo? Ah! Red!
Akan. Granny. Custer's granny.
Get out! Fat beef.
I use.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Do not. Oh, wait, who the heck? Granny.
Let me out! Let me out! Lumabas.
Oh, wait. I have a lot.
I have a piece of a picture.
Do not scare me. Stop scaring me. I'm going to go down. Okay. Where's it? Hey. Turn on. Oh, wait, I just turn on.
I don't have to.
Okay. Ah! Stop scaring me, oh. Ito to. Oh, I found it.
I'm too hot.
Yes. I know. I know.
Oh, patay ako. No,
Granny. Where's Granny? Salubot mo. How dare you? We're going to go home.
No.
Can I go home now?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Let me go home.
Can I like his house?
Fine. I'm going to go home. Hey.
Try not emo.
Bye.
Emo. Amo.
Bye.
No.
Wait. Who are you? I'm going to hide there before the granny comes. Monster. Hmm? Hello. Hello, baby. Oh no! Running out of time. You wasted time.
Come here. Grumpy.
Okay. What's wrong? Oh, no. Hello.
Get out.
I'm going to kiss you.
Sige, originally.
No, sorry. I'm going to sniff your armpit.
Ano?
No, joking. I kiss your armpit. Armpit,
Originally.
no, sorry. Baby. No, sorry. I'm not saying that. Please stop.
Si Granny
Nag-uutot ako. I'm not, guys. I'm not, I guess.
Make us up and originally.
Ah!
Whoa.
Mwah.
Whoa.
I'll kiss your armpit.
Stop one. Ew.
Yay! Victory!
You survived.
Victory! I have no ammo.
Sugatusan.
Yes, 2 by 2 cents, huh? Yeah. Where's my mama?
Mama daw. Kaya ng mama niya. Uy.
How dare you kill me? Oh my god! I love armpit. I love armpit strong. Armpit strong. Oh, sorry. Oh, nothing.
Lagi ako na.
We're lagging. Okay. 19 seconds.
What about? Wait. Kala na ko.
I'm going to see.
He turned it.
How dare you?
Body part.
Turn into me. Turn me into the. I died.
Eljan, the gun is upstairs.
Fine. Wait.
We're gonna...
Don't. I'm sorry.
Rejoin tayo.
How dare you? Fine. You can just rejoin. Oh, I'm going to. Do not quit.
Disconnected.
I keep on disconnecting.
Disconnected.
You go. You go.
This one.
Go, Bernard. Why? No.
Disconnect.
Please. I love you.
We're gonna leave again.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Hello guys.
Uh,
Today we're going to play Granny Magic.
Yes.
With me.
Hello.
They don't know you.
Hey. Hey, wait for me. Hey.
Joining you.
Wait, I just leave.
Rabbit.
Where are you?
Rabbit.
I'm going to join you.
I am
I will join you. Don't leave. I should
Leave na na.
stop.
Join me.
Fine. Okay. Don't leave, Rex. Oh, okay. So, ano, can start a funny game. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we're going to play the granny. Okay.
Hello guys, today we're going to play Granny Magic. So guys,
Chapter 2.
please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.
What? The Sigma? Okay. We're now in. I have 22 minutes. We're going to make a long video. Oh, Granny, Chapter 2. Okay, we're going to play. Hello.
Let's go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Where are you? Oh, wait.
Hello.
Oh, it's you. It's no you.
Come here.
Goodbye. Goodbye, have fun. Have fun. No, these sticky mamas, babies. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, my God. 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 Hi, you deserve it. What? Granny? What happened? What happened? Oh, my God. It's you? Okay. Wow.
Magic.
I love you.
He won't kill me.
What about me? What?
We need to come here.
Why? How can I magic?
Close the door and...
Yes. I'm going to do it.
Leave her here then.
You go. Here you go.
Magic 3.
Okay, baby. Okay. I'm sorry. Don't leave. Don't, ano. Bye. I close you.
Does she know that?
I close on you.
Trick.
The magic trick.
Leave her here.
I can't. Run.
Magic 3.
How? I can't. I can't even magic.
Magic. Timer. Hello.
No, I can't.
Blue.
Ah!
Blind.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to close you. Can I match?
Ano? The Joey.
Come on.
Big.
Come on.
Big. Nag-toilet.
I'm close on you. I trick you. Let me close on you again. Uy,
Magic trick.
me?
Magic trick.
How? How dare you? Magic trick ako? How dare you? Ado. Bleh. 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 Alright. Where's Granaway?
Nabari.
Where are you? Where are you?
Sam.
Upstairs.
You don't know.
Oh wait, there's the black key. Okay, let's go. Where are you? What's that? Who's that? Inky? Inky Patsuri? Oh, we're playing the piano.
Inky Peruri. At least I survived.
Oh my god. I need to survive. Just move. Just move. I need to get all money. I didn't even get armor. What?
You don't need armor. There's no armor.
Move. Go away. Where is it? No! Oh my god!
Get Kuya.
How dare you? Stop, baby.
Don't look behind.
Oh, look you. I was trying my best. I wanted to see where.
Mama. Papa, are you there?
Papa, are you there?
Grandmama, grandpapa.
Oh, where are you?
Grandpapa and
Grandpapa.
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 Diyan si Granny.
Okay.
Grandpapa.
Maybe kiss her bimbo.
Grandpapa.
Come on.
Stop.
Stop.
Papa boy.
Scream like a girl. I'm going to review it. I'm going to review it.
Go to the.
Here.
There's something. Magic. No magic.
I can't. Where?
Bedroom.
Ah!
Bedroom.
Please stop, wrestling.
He left.
Oh, because of you. Because of you.
Magic.
Bro, I need to restart the game, huh? Bro. Oh, because of you. Okay. What? Wait, I have 100 friends. Okay, I have 100. Please, give me a friend. If I get 1 zillion friend. If I get a classmate. This is my classmate, I think. Okay. Granny chapter 3. Okay. Okay, we're loading, guys. We're going to join you. I just join you instead. Okay. Ah, wait, I forgot. Ooh! Come on. Yo, baby. Yo, baby. Oh, baby, oh, my baby. Ooh, my baby. Oh, yeah. Go! Go! Okay, baby. Let it go. How are you, baby? I love you.
By Ronald. I am
Oh.
Lord.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm a god of meat.
Where's the baby?
Blind.
Where's Grandpa?
Downstairs.
Where's Grandpa? You can come.
Okay, Granny.
I broke you.
It's not April Fool.
April Fool's. It's April Fool's. Can I eat?
Mama.
Again. Do it again. Go.
Try it.
Kiss me. Oh wait. Oh wait. What? You didn't even get magic. I win. Grandpa,
Baba.
you can come now. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Go charge to the granny. I'm a boss.
Boss.
I'm going to kiss you.
You're a boss. I am a boss. I am a boss.
Ah!
I am a boss. I'm a boss. Yay, I can go somewhere easily.
Where?
Without worrying. I can find here. Destroyed.
Okay.
Okay,
I have black one. I have the block. And I have this.
I am Superman.
I said get it. Are you dumb?
Yes.
You want to.
I have a gun.
There's granny downstairs and grandpa
I
downstairs.
have a gun.
Shoot it. Shoot this downstairs. Go. Boo. Boo. What the
I'll
heck?
show you where I put the gun.
Oh, where are you? Where's
Upstairs.
Oh, upstairs. Okay. Upstairs. Where's the upstairs? Oh, there he is. What the? I have this.
Guys, did you grab this?
Oh, wait. Yes.
Did you grab this?
Yes, I have this. Okay. These not April Fools. If the grand kills me, then I'm dead.
Of course you're dead.
I'm dead not. Enough.
I have scissors to cut. I have scissors
I
to
need
cut.
to shoot Grandpa. I miss. I miss. Give me the key. I said give me the freaking key. Or else I'll kill you. Sorry? I can't? Okay. Give me the kill.
Ayaw pala si Granny. Namatay si Granny.
Oh, yes.
2 times namatay si Granny.
Yes. I need to get the gun.
Oh wait.
I have a gun. I have a gun. Monster.
Okay.
I'm going to shoot Grandpa. Let me shoot Grandpa first.
Okay. Grandpa namatay. He's already in heaven. Don't do that to him.
Yes. I need to go. I need to shoot the 11. Oh wait, it's you. Okay.
Oh, what the fuck?
What the heck? Hey, move
There's
my
nothing.
Nothing. There's nothing, huh?
I'm doing mine.
There's nothing, guys. Okay, this is the long video. I have this painting. I have this. I have this. Where's the others?
Patako.
I have the painting. Your stuff.
No.
What?
Yes.
You deserve. Okay. You deserve. Granny.
My head. We'll go upstairs. How did that happen?
How? I can't. There's Granny. Please shoot Granny.
I don't know where.
Please shoot Granny.
I don't know my god, I died.
Where's Granny?
Not fair. Grandpa, I hope you die. I hope you go to hell.
Oh, there. I shoot Granny. Finally, I shoot Granny.
Go kill Grandpa.
Oh,
don't
I
care
shoot
if
Granny.
Grandpa is not,
Okay.
not. Just kill Grandpa.
Yes, I know. Oh, wait, this
Just
green
9
key.
minutes.
9 minutes.
I literally just... Okay, Grandpa is up downstairs. Kill Grandpa.
Stop. Oh my god. Stop killing me.
Grandpa.
Oh. Oh, there he is. Grandpa's downstairs. I need to shoot him. Can I shoot? I need to shoot him. Oh, yeah! Oh my god, I shoot Grandpa! Hey! How dare you push me, Mannequin? He loves you. Ah, how dare you? Mannequin. Oh wait, this gas. What do you think? I don't know. Oh wait, I shoot. They shoot Granny 3 times. Yes, 3 times. I can't.
I saw eyes.
Yes,
Is it just me or just saw eyes?
I just saw eyes, but I don't know. What's that? Piece of the painting. Oh wait, piece of the painting. What are you doing? Granny will going to kill me. What's that? Where are you, huh?
That's a gun.
We have the gun.
Alright.
Oh, why? What?
Nabalik yung nga.
What? I need to win. I know I'm going to win, guys. I know I'm going to win. What's that? I'm going to shoot Grandpa. I just shoot Granny and her Grandpa first. Okay. You scared of the heck out of me, huh? Oh, there's Granny. Oh, wait. Grab the ammo! Grab the ammo. Why? Where? Oh, there's... Where's Granny? What? What then? What are you doing? I'm just hiding there. I can just wanted to display for you. Oh, there he is. Okay. Because it's scared out of me. Yes. I have a piece of the painting. So I'm going to climb. I have a piece of the painting, right? I have a piece of the painting.
Piece of the painting.
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 What? Stop it. Piece of the painting.
Painting.
Stop it. Painting. Where's the leaves? Okay.
One more.
Oh wait, I forgot. One more.
Lagay mo.
I can't. I don't have. I said I don't. I'm scared out of me. This is my beautiful.
Okay.
This.
It's here.
Here. Where? Oh! Why? Oh my god! That's cool.
Where's Fishy? Fishy!
Okay.
Ah, Fishy!
Yeah. I don't know.
Where the heck is Fishy?
I can't even just shoot it. I can't even shoot it because I'm going to get loose. I'm going to lose my ammo, I guess. There's Grandpa or not? Granny. Oh, there's Granny. I can't even get the ammo thing. Go! Fart. Yes! Thank you.
One more.
Oh my god. I said, come on!
There we go.
I need to win!
Wait, where are
wait.
Come upstairs, the door's open.
Wait. I said wait. Wait a second. I was trying to go upstairs on you. Wait. You did it? Okay, you did it. Okay. You did it. I did this. Wait. I just get it.
Behind you.
Where is it? Oh, okay.
With where is the key?
I have this. This.
Plus,
I
you have it? Oh my god.
I don't have. Because of this grandpa. I can't. Because I'm scared. You can go. You can get it, please.
And then there's ammo.
There's
Okay, never mind. It's now gone.
Yes. Please get it, please. Can you get it, please? I didn't even get it. A special key. Yeah.
That's what you get for seeing me.
Yes.
You scared the hell out of me. You
What the heck?
big
What?
boobs man. But I saw the white guy.
What the heck?
Yeah. He has abs. Yeah, true. I saw him.
How?
Even if the shirt covers his body, we still see his abs. Yeah. Oh, true. Look. Guys, look. Ew.
What?
That's a bit too inappropriate, man. Say what?
I didn't even get it because I have no. I have. Bro, just move. Oh my god. Oh, I have no. I have. Did you get it?
Did you get blood fuse?
I can't even get it. Glass fuse. Can you go down?
The name is so good.
Go down. Can you go down? I'm going to hide.
Chicken baloney.
How? You can
Aray.
see me.
Chicken banana.
Yes.
Chicken
How? How did I glitch?
chicken banana. Allah.
How?
Oh
What
my
did
God.
I glitch?
Glass fuse is down there. Why don't you get the... Ako din.
No.
Okay, stay there.
Oh wait.
I have the key.
Yes, thank you. We're going to win. Wait, I have this now. Yes. I don't. Yes, I do have a tape.
Put it.
I have a tape. I just get it. Oh, this one. What's that? Can you? I don't have a gas.
Helicopter. Do we even have a helicopter? Get a gas.
I don't have a gas.
So where did you put it?
Just get it, please. Can you get it?
Wait. I see.
I'm so close. Come on, get
That
it.
one is too...
Oh, you're going to. Oh, you're going to die. Slam the door. Get the gas. Do. Oh wait, he got the gas. I guess I don't know.
What are you guys doing? Do you guys have gas?
I don't have gas.
If you guys have gas, then put it now. Banana.
I all gonna lose now. Let's hide for the top. You got. Hey, you got see me. Oh, I glitched. Look at me. Wait, let's try.
Stop. Banana. Stop. Banana.
Let's try glitch. I glitched. Oh wait, I glitched the game. Wait, let me glitch the. Hey, stop ruining it. I wanted to glitch the game. Oh my God, you just always ruined it.
I don't wanna take this anymore.
We're all gonna lose.
Me jump off the
Ha!
balcony. But there's something
There's no
preventing
gas.
me to...
Wow. There's no gas. So, I don't know.
May gas ka? Dali na. Quickly! Mouse!
Quickly.
Quickly, we're going to die.
Quickly.
Quickly!
Bro, this guy.
I need a helicopter key.
We're all gonna lose.
Oh my god, I don't even have a... Bro.
Bro. This game sucks. No. No. Because of this annoying guy trying to not help me. Because I can't even beat it. Because I'm sad. Oh!
Bro became sad.
Ouch! I just accidentally stepped on a trap door. I guess trap.
Aray.
Go! You monster! You monster! You got. Hey! How dare you? Oh wait. Where are you? Are you in Rabaho? No. 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 Mama! Look at you! Look at you! What are you doing? Oh my god!
Not even.
We're all going to lose, guys. We're all going to lose. No.
This is called lasagna. And this is called
What the heck? Okay, what's that? I all the even just win. Oh wait! Oh wait! I just died. Wah 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 wah! Wah wah wah! How dare you? Wah 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 wah!
Aray.
Ouch!
Okay, guys, that's it for today. Like this.
Bruh.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Okay, I didn't even just died. So that's okay. My god! Okay, if I die, the video ends. Oh! Ratay. Oh!
So, the one
Oh my god!
who made this, I'll give them a L3.
Yes.
May ubria. Oh, what are you gonna draw?
Okay.
La li ni ya la.
Go on.
Pancake. Dae ang pancake, bro.
Hello. Hello. Hello, my bro. Hey, my bro. Hey, what you doing? I was trying to make one.
Yala!
Oh my god. Granny.
Ano yun?
Sweet. Hello, baby.
It's petals. I need hard work on it. It's healthy like brown.
Hey. Run for Dodo. Okay. Talking.
Let's see what brown looks like.
Where's my Dodo?
Let's see what brown looks like.
Hey,
Brown.
you.
Broccoli.
Sweetly, oh, baby.
Broccoli, 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 broccoli. Lian! Oh, this is what...
You can decide him. Hey, go clock me.
What is this? That's
Hey,
tissue?
you. Who locked me,
Yeah!
huh? Hey. Hey, what are you doing, Nanoy? Huh?
I forgot.
I was trying to do my best, I guess. What are you doing?
Well,
I got you. Okay.
don't mind about that, bro.
What the heck?
You should draw something cute.
What are you doing,
Hindi
huh?
ganyan. You know your mom will see that.
What are you doing, Dota? I'm going to close on you, huh? Loser.
Forgot about,
Hey, go to go. Shake my butt. Oh, shake my butt, huh?
forgot about the
You can't just make me, huh? No.
Marry that.
You can't even make me, huh? You, sir. You effort. Okay. Love you. Okay. Let me just leave her, him, I guess. Okay. Let me just leave. Okay, so goodbye.